Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Confused customers don't buy and they definitely return items that don't fit. In this video, I will show you how to add a professional size chart to your Shopify product pages in 2025 step by step. There are three main ways to add size charts on Shopify: manual table, quick and simple product tabs, or accordion section for clean design using a free app for more control plus visuals. We'll go over all three so you can choose the best fit for your store. Now, go to Shopify admin dashboard, then select product and select a product from here. Scroll to the product description box and now switch to HTML view and paste this basic size chart like A4 size chart A4 then table customize it with your own measurements and styles. Want to reuse one size a chart for multiple products? Create a separate page, then go to online store. Then pages and add page. Add your table or upload an image with sizing information. Now go to online store, then navigation and main product menu and add a link to the size chart under your product menus. If your theme supports it, you can show the size chart inside a tab or collapsible section under the product description. Go to online store, then themes, then click customize. Choose a product page, look for product information blocks or tabs, add a new block label in size chart and either paste the table or select your size chart page. This keeps your product pages clean and professional. Want to more advanced charts with images, pop-ups and auto matching per product? Go to the Shopify App Store and search for size chart or Kiwi size chart and recommender. Install it and follow these steps. Create a new chart, choose which products collections it shows on, customize with visuals, images and tabs. Customize with visuals, images and tables. Enable pop-up or inline display. This is ideal if you sell multiple brands or need international sizing. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.